see me. And we are going to be doing a cold start on my four-wheeler.
My four-wheeler. Kimco MXU 300.
And it has been we just had like a huge big rain and it's been cold and it hasn't been started in about 2 to 1 week. So yeah, it's been a long way. So yeah, we're gonna conquer on up. Keys. See if we have a charged battery. It says we did. Oh yeah, she's cold.
You cool stuff.
I'm gonna set you guys up on my lawnmower real quick. We're also gonna do a cold start on that too. Okay. Ooh, I just got soaked. Ew, dude. You freaking kidding me? Bro. Y'all did just not see what just happened. Here's our lawnmower and here's our four-wheeler, okay? So I'm parking right next to each other. And I'm moving the tarp. And a freaking bird flew out of the tarp. I think she may have a nest in here somewhere. I don't think she does. Maybe she just put that there just for the heck of it, but I don't know. Anyways, on to the video. Oh my gosh, I can't find you guys a good place. Ugh. I need to get me seriously. I'm just gonna have to put you guys back where you are. I'll just get the thing up. Perfect. Okay. Sorry if y'all see my butt crack. Sorry. Crank it on over. And if you guys do have one of these Kimco's, it's a Chinese four-wheeler. The choke is right here on the bottom if you guys didn't know that. I'll show you. It's like right here next to the exhaust. It's like right here above. Let's pull that out. Because this thing is going to need a lot of it. Okay, we're gonna move it. She got one. Oh, check out, crap. This engine is cold. It'll warm up here. This thing right here is cold-blooded, man. You can't even. The thing just shuts off when you're like. One time I was down there on the four-wheeler path, and I'm sitting there riding and blame myself. Freaking thing just shuts off because it's cold-natured. She is cold. ATV running. Now I'm gonna give you guys a cold start of an old Husqvarna. She's been faithful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me get my handy dandy little rock. Exhaust is right there. Put you guys up right here on the floor. Now this girl right here, she wanted listen to this beach wind. I'll leave you guys right there. Joke's on. This thing is not diesel, but like I said, beach wind. She idles a little bit high. Let me down there in the comments how to turn the idle down. Give it an oil change here in a couple weeks. Well, guys, I'll make a longer video, but my phone's about to die. I'll see you guys here very soon, because here in a couple weeks, or in about a day or so, we are going to be doing dang it, we're going to be trail riding, yeah, on 4-wheel. So stay tuned for that, and like you guys always know, be motivated and never stop, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.